Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to fix brightness problem on oppo phone. Friends, you want to fix your oppo phone brightness problem. So how to fix brightness problem today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, sometime on your oppo phone your brightness increase and decrease automatic. So how to fix and how to solve brightness problem, let's see. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on your oppo phone display and brightness setting. Friends, you can see light and dark mode setting. Friends, you want to on your dark mode, you can on your dark mode and you can use it. So guys, we will off dark mode, I don't want to use. Friends, you can see auto brightness and your brightness. Friends, you can increase and decrease from here guys. So friends, you have enabled guys your auto brightness. So that's why guys you have your brightness problem, because guys you can see first guys we will off auto brightness and guys your brightness problem will solve. Friends, you can set your brightness level, means you can increase. And friends, now your brightness will not decrease when you will go outside. When you will come inside, brightness will not decrease and increase automatic on your oppo phone device. So if by mistake you have on your auto brightness, so only you will have to off and your problem is solved. And once if you on again your auto brightness, friends, you can see brightness will decrease automatic. So friends, you can see, so we will off and we will increase brightness. So like that guys, we can use auto brightness setting, means guys we can solve auto brightness problem on oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet in next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your oppo phone display brightness, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.